This dance is called Floor It. It's a 48 count, full wall, improver level line dance with a bridge. So we're starting on our right foot, cross rock right over left, recover. Rock to the side on the right, recover. Into vaudeville step. So we cross the right over, step left to the side, touch the right heel forward and that diagonal, bring the feet together, into extended syncopated weave, crossing left over right, right to the side, behind, side, cross. So yes, there are quite a few ands in this dance. So that section once more then, cross rock, off on the right. 7, 8, cross, rock, side, rock, cross and heel and cross, side, behind, side, cross. Into some toe switches. So point the right toe to the side, bring the feet together, point the left to the side, bring the feet together. Touch the right heel forward, bring the feet together, touch the left beside the right. We're going to add on now a half toe turn. So you're going to touch your right, or even your left toe back as you make then half a turn to the left. Weight ends up on that left foot. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself half a turn to the left. So you should be back facing 12 o'clock. So that section again then, toe switches, half on the right, 7, 8, toe and heel and touch, toe, turn, step, pivot. Now we'll go through the dance quite slowly to start with. So there is the equivalent of a full turn, with that toe half turn and the step pivot half. If you want to try and take that out, simple alternative steps for you, rather than do the toe half turn, back strut with the left foot, rock back on the right, recover. So that's alternative steps. So let's add that section to the top. Cross rock off on the right. 7, 8, cross, rock, side, rock, cross and heel and cross, side, behind, side, cross, toe and heel and touch, toe, turn, step, pivot. Couple of Dorothy steps then. Right foot leading, step, lock and step, lock and. Rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left into a coaster step, right foot leading. It's a nice easy section. Let's do that once more. Dorothy's off on the right. 7, 8, step, lock and forward rock, coaster step. Let's add that to the top. Cross rock, off on the right. 7, 8, cross rock, side rock, cross and heel and cross, side, behind, side, cross, toe and heel and touch, toe, turn, step, pivot, step, lock and forward rock, coaster step. Rock forward on the left, recover your weight on the right, shuffle half a turn over that left shoulder, quarter close, quarter. Into a full turn over 2 steps. Now if you don't wish to do this full turn, walk forward, right, left. Otherwise it's half a turn to the left as you step back on that right, further half a turn left as you step forward on the left. Touch your right toe forward, twist your heels right, back to centre. So we say touch because you don't put any weight on that right foot because you'll be moving off on that right with the next step. Now I will demonstrate that full turn as we're doing the walkthrough. I will actually be doing the non-turning walk-walk alternative when the music is on. So that section once more then. Forward rock off on the left. 7, 8. Forward rock, half shuffle, full turn, touch, twist, twist. Let's add that to the top. Cross rock, right foot leading. 7, 8. Cross rock, side rock, cross and heel and cross, side, behind, side, cross. Toe and heel and touch, toe, turn, step, pivot, step, lock and forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, half shuffle, tumble, turn, touch, twist, twist. Walk back now, 2 steps, right foot leading, back, back, into a coaster step, 2 sets of vaudevilles, left and right foot. So left foot leading, cross, side, touch that left heel forward on the diagonal, feet together. Cross the right over left, left to the side, right forward on the diagonal, feet together. So that section once more then, walking back on that right. 7, 8, back, coaster step, cross and heel and cross and heel and. Add that to the top. 1 section left to go. Cross rock, right foot leading. 7, 8, cross rock, side rock, cross and heel and cross, side, behind, side, cross, toe and heel and touch, toe, turn, step, pivot, step, lock and forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, half shuffle, full turn, touch, twist, twist, back, coaster step, cross and heel and cross and heel and. Cross the left over the right, step the right to the side. Make a quarter turn left as you step the left to the side. Stomp the right beside the left, kick the right forward. You're now going to step the right to the side, left to the side, bring the right back into the centre, left beside the right, and point. So it's not quite a V-step. Very similar, I think we're actually travelling on one plane rather than moving forwards and backwards. So that set of steps once more then. Cross left over right. 7, 8. Cross, side, turn, stomp, kick, out, in, point. Now that kind of V-step comes fairly fast after the kick. So the kick is on count 5, I believe. Then you go into and 6 and 7.8. So it's quite quick. But that is the end of the dance when you get to that point, literally. So let's put it all together. Cross rock off on the right. 7, 8, cross rock, side rock, cross and heel and cross, side, behind, side, cross, toe and heel and touch, toe, turn, step, pivot, Dorothy step, forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, half shuffle, full turn, touch, twist, twist, back, coaster step, cross and heel and cross, side, turn, stomp, kick, out, in, point. So that's your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Cross rock, right foot leading. 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. So that is your dance and the timing. But it is a full wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Cross rock, right foot leading. 7, 8. Cross rock, side rock, cross and heel and cross. Side, behind, side, cross. Toe and heel and touch. Toe, turn, step, pivot. Dorothy, Dorothy. Forward rock, coaster step. Forward rock, half shuffle. Full turn, touch, twist, twist. Back, back, coaster step. Cross and heel and cross and heel and cross. Side, turn, stop. Kick out in. Point. Cross, rock, side, rock, cross and heel and cross. Side, behind, side, cross. Toe and heel and touch. Toe, turn, step, pivot. Dorothy, Dorothy. Forward rock, coaster step. Forward rock, half shuffle. Full turn, touch, twist, twist. Back, back, coaster step. Cross and heel and cross and heel and cross. Side, turn, stop. Kick out in. Point. Cross, rock, side, rock, cross. And heel and cross. Side, behind, side, cross. Toe and heel and touch. Toe, turn, step, pivot. Dorothy, Dorothy. Forward rock, coaster step. Forward rock, half shuffle. Full turn, touch, twist, twist. Back, back, coaster step. Cross and heel and cross and heel and cross. Side, turn, stop. Kick out in, point. So that's your walkthrough. Hope you're following me. Now there is a bridge in this dance. Don't get very many of these. But this bridge comes on wall 6. And you effectively repeat one section of the dance and then just keep going. So it's not even as if you're doing some different steps. So hopefully you should get it. There is a slight difference in that it comes at the end of the touch, twist, twist section. But on this particular one, because you're then going to be going back to that section which starts with a forward rock, you have to get your weight back on the right. So you're going to be stepping the right, twist, twist, and then you can start again with your forward rock. So it comes basically after 30, 32 counts, depending on whether you count your step, twist, twist. But it is your 3 o'clock wall. So it's the second time you get to 3 o'clock, you will add in the bridge. You will be facing 9 o'clock when you actually come to do the bridge. So let's have a go. So your bridge section, forward rock, half shuffle, full turn, touch, twist, twist. But don't forget, you need to get that weight on that right foot at the end of that section. So from the top, let's put the bridge in. Wall 6, cross rock, right foot leading. 7, 8, cross rock, side rock, cross and heel and cross, side, behind, side, cross. Toe and heel and touch, toe, turn, step, pivot. Dorothy, Dorothy. Forward rock, coaster step. Here we go. Forward rock, half shuffle, full turn, step, twist, twist. Forward rock, half shuffle, full turn, touch, twist, twist. Back, back, coaster step. Cross and heel and cross and heel and cross. Side, turn, stop. connected in point. So hopefully you can see where the bridge comes in. It's just a case of remembering to go back a section, redo that section, and just keep going. Remember where you were. So that is your dance, that is your walkthrough, that's your bridge information. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross, right, side, up, cross, and heel, cross, side, behind, side, cross, turn, heel, touch, turn, step, heel, step, rock and step, back and forward, back, twist and step, forward, up, half shot, forward, turn, touch, twist, twist, back, back, twist and step, cross and heel, cross, side, turn, step, kick and tight to 'cause I got the need for speed, that light's turning green, and I'm feeling for that beautiful sound. We got gas in the tank, bees in the bank, let them back me, punch on the rack, just for it. Twist a step, cross it here, cross it here, cross, side, turn, step, kick and tight to cross it, side, cross it here, cross, side, behind, side, slow down, when we're both flying, give me that groove, get down, spin this groove, around us now, I got them old school dance moves in my hand, 'cause I'm a for it kind of man, 'cause I got the need for speed, that light's turning green, and I'm feeling for that beautiful sound. We got gas in the tank, bees in the bank, get them back me, boots on the rack, just for it. Cross it, step, cross it, kick, cross it, heel, cross, side, turn, step, kick, and tight to cross, right. Toes, follow through. Over. Liquid for the courage, bartender's about to pour. It's 1 tequila, 2 tequila, 3 tequila, 4. 'Cause I got the need for speed, you're right next to me. We're tearing up the dance floor now. We got gas in the tank, biggies in the bank, get them back me, boots on the rack. Step, twist, twist, forward, punch your toes, forward, turn, twist, twist, punch, back, coast to step, over. Just floor it. Hope you managed that one.